Day 3, Friday, September 4th. 7th grade science, Mr. Co. recap. So what did we do today? No surprise, everything we do you can find on Classroom. So we head over to Classwork Stream and the first week materials, the Classroom Management Calendar. Day 3 of that calendar, open it up, and we scroll down to the 3 days, period 1, period 2, and period 3. So depending on the period, you did each of those activities. Most had to do with getting to know each other again and Classroom Handbook. By the end of the day in your third period class, you did the Student Handbook Attestation form. In other words, you filled out a quick little 2-question form that acknowledges that we went over the handbook with you and that you know where to find it. In the Get to Know You activities, day 3 of those activities included 3 periods worth of activities. Period 1, period 2, and period 3. Just activities to start simple conversations about getting to know each other. And once that was finished, what Mr. Co did was show students how to add a Google email or Gmail signature. One of the activities they did yesterday on Tuesday was email a teacher, practicing some good email etiquette. And at the end of every email is your name, or should be, to identify who you are. And we did a signature to do that. And I am going to bring over my Gmail and show you really quick where to do that. And that is up in the upper right-hand corner. There's a gear cog. You hit See All Settings. You scroll down to your signature, and whatever you put in this box right here, and you hit Save at the very bottom, will be your new signature. So anytime you open a new email like I'm doing here, anything that's here was in that box. So we did that because that's just going to save students hours and hours of typing in their name at the end, or forgetting, like most of us do, to put it at the end and who we are. And instead of seeing a student number, we know who they are. And that was it, because next week we actually start science. We start in with the Amplify lessons. Students can go ahead and get started looking around in Amplify if they want. Head to Clever, Amplify. We're in the Geology of Mars. We're going to do Chapter 1 next week. I will give you more information in a separate message through Skyward. I will also give you parents access to the public website that I have, because I'm not going to do daily recap videos anymore. You're going to just be able to directly reference those anytime you want in one spot and not have to have an email a day. And then for kids, everything we'll be doing will be instructional-based videos anyway, and that would just duplicate the communication to the point where I think we would find it annoying. So end of the first week, as long as the kids showed up and marked that they were here, and they're going to be in good shape. So thanks for a good first week. Attendance was sky high, just like we want it to be. And we'll see you next week with some science.